Whatever happens with us in life, gratitude is a great feeling to have. If you are experiencing bad things in your life, they are lessons. You need to learn from them. Having bad things is very painful in life. Pain shows us where we have job to do. Once the pain has gone, things turn to good in life and you are able to appreciate the great moments. There is always something to learn in life, and this learning journey never ends. All we need to do, learn from our mistakes and move on. Many people suffer in this life. It's part of life for some, and during this period we all change. We either get stronger and get through these obstacles, or it drains us down. You need to do everything to get through these hard, dark times. There are always two sides of the coin. It can't stay on one side forever. Gratitude teaches us to appreciate the value in one's life. Also, it improves mental health and strengthens relationship. Wherever you are in life, always feel gratitude for things you have, health you have, family you have, or if you don't have these but you are up in the morning, there is always more for you in life, as long you have another day. Keep going, get better and better day by day, and never give it up.